How much importance do our parents have in our life? Similarly, in Carnatic music, Shruti is known to be the mom and Talam is known to be the dad. These are the two important elements in Carnatic music. If these two elements are not followed properly, then whatever wonders you bring to your singing, that is considered to be a big zero. For example, sa sari sa sari sari sa sari ri ga ga mama ri ri ga ri ri ga ri ga ri ri ga ga mama papa ga ga ma ga ga ma ga ma ga ga mama papa dada. There's a missing in it, right? The second half is going a little faster. In between, it's going slower. So there we are not maintaining a normal speed. So let's sing this in a proper manner. Sa sari sa sari sari sa sari ri ga ga mama ri ri ga ri ri ga ri ga ri ri ga ga mama